रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 3 को रिजल्ट पेश करना था मैडम, लास्ट ऑर्डर मैडम 24/8/2023 का.
By the interim order on the last date, the petition was permitted to appear in the examination. Yesterday, my lords, the answer keys have been released. Thereafter, the 7-day period is given for objections. Thereafter, a final answer key is released, and thereafter the result is declared. So, when the result of all the candidates would be declared, my lords, we would be in the position to produce the result of the petition in a sealed copy. Exam.
फिक्स डेट थी मैडम. मैडम हम डिसेबल्ड पर्सन हैं और हमारी जो कैटेगरी के हैं उन्हें डिबार कर दिया गया था मैडम. हमारा पीजी मैडम 82% है मैडम. पेज नंबर 67, 68 मैडम. ये पात्रता परीक्षा है मैडम. हायर एजुकेशन के लिए पात्रता परीक्षा पीएससी कंडक्ट कर रही थी. उसके लिए मैडम हमको डिबार कर दिया गया था, हमारी कैटेगरी को, डिसेबल्ड वालों को. इसलिए
what has happened is that he's challenging the include notification, a condition in the include notification whereby posts were identified for disabled persons for the post of assistant professor in the higher education department. If that is seen, Your Lordship, he belongs to a category of intellectual disability. At page 19 is the include notification. Annexure P3. Intellectual disability. Two disabilities insofar as intellectual disability and multiple disabilities were exempted from the provisions of being identified for the purpose of the post of assistant professor in higher education department. That condition, that remark in column number 11 is being challenged by. Now, in the meanwhile, Your Lordship, the advertisement was issued for state eligibility test by the MPPSC. This is a mandatory condition to qualify the eligibility test prior to sitting in the being qualified for the next competitive examination, which is undertaken by the department.
Intellectual disability is certified
by a committee constituted under the rules, Your Lordship. No, it is certified by that certificate he has obtained. That we are not disputing that. If he may be disabled, we are not providing that those posts are not reserved for intellectual disability. It is reserved for locomotor disability, visually, and for hearing disabilities, but not for intellectual disability. We've taken a conscious decision to exempt two categories of disabilities for the post of assistant professor. That has been permitted under section 34 of the. You may kindly see at page 3, Your Lordship, paragraph 6 of the return. For higher education, not for other reasons. That consent has been granted as per the provisions of section 34 of the Disabilities Act. Section 34 of the Disabilities Act, Your Lordship, which is the Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. The proviso says, provided further that the appropriate government, in consultation with the Chief Commissioner or the State Commissioner, as the case may be, may, having regard to the type of work carried out in any government establishment, by notification and subject to such conditions, if any, as may be specified in such notifications, exempt any government establishment from the provisions of this section. It is titled Reservation Section 34. What is the condition you have to spread? Set
पेज 3 पेज 18 में लोग
page 10.
पेज 18 वो कॉलम नंबर 11 माय लॉर्ड पेज नंबर 19 कॉलम नंबर 11 candidates belonging to column number 9 are not suitable for higher education department. Therefore, this category should be deleted from the list and reservation provided in the category would be equally incorporated in the rest 3 categories. और पीजी में हमारे 83% है मैडम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट मैलोड हायर एजुकेशन में भी मैलोड अब यदि रिजल्ट आ जाता है मैलोड और रिजल्ट में हमारे जो हमने एनालाइज किया है मोर देन 50% हमारे आ रहे हैं मैलोड मोर देन 50%. बट हायर एजुकेशन के लिए यदि वो मना कर रहे हैं तो मैलोड वो इलीगल है हमारे लिए क्योंकि हम तो कैपेबल हैं मैलोड. जब इंटेलेक्चुअल का ये इंटेलेक्चुअल का ये कह रहे हैं रिप्लाई पैरा 6 पेज नंबर 3 पैरा 6 पेज नंबर 3 रिप्लाई रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 1 टू लास्ट में मतलब 4 क्लॉज 4 है उसका पैरा नंबर 6 में क्लॉज 4 एकदम लास्ट 2 लाइन में पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम ऑटिज्म इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी स्पेसिफाइड लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी एंड मेंटल इलनेस ये सबको दे रहे हैं मैडम. मैं पहले पढ़ that initially the person with the disabilities equal opportunity protection of right and full participation act 1995 provide for reservation in respect of 3 category for disabled person namely पहले 3 के लिए था मालूम. The said act 1995 was repealed by the right of person who disabled act 1926 which provides 5 categories of the disabled person. 2 more categories वो ऐड किया. मालूम सर्टिफिकेट पेज नंबर 63 से है मालूम. डिसेबिलिटी 69 है मालूम. पेज नंबर 69 यूनिक डिसेबिलिटी मालूम ये इसी में दिया हुआ है. डिसेबिलिटी टाइप इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी. ये जो नंबर दिया है एमपी उसके बाद डिसेबिलिटी दी है उसके बाद इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी दी है 1997 के ऊपर में लोग डेट ऑफ बर्थ के. माइलड मेरे यहाँ ये है कि यदि हम 50% डिसेबिलिटी में इतने परसेंट ला सकते हैं 82%, नहीं माइलड वो डिसेबल्ड है ये माइलड। हमारा फोटो देख लीजिए, वो जो मंगोल चाइल्ड फोटो देख लीजिए, नहीं वो उसी में लगा हुआ है। इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी वो 3 टाइप की होती है माइलड। इनके अकॉर्डिंग जो है, एक 100% होता है, एक 50% होता है और एक 25% होता है। 3 तरह की डिसेबिलिटी इंटेलेक्चुअल होती है माइलड।
Right now we have just declared the answer key, my lords. It will take around 3 weeks at least.